This is a video about science, I swear. Hi, my name's Amelia, and I'm a graduate student here at the University of California, Davis, and I'm an ecologist. But I'm also the daughter of a dollhouse builder. And growing up surrounded by dollhouses actually played a big part in my success as a scientist. Part of that, I think, was just being surrounded by people who are a little bit crazy and a little bit willing to just follow their passions and follow their dreams. But it was also these skills that I got in building. My mom's dollhouses are works of art. My dollhouses had more of the oatmeal box showers and far more plastic animals living in them. But these skills of thinking about something that was two-dimensional and turning it into three-dimensional items has been really helpful in my study of fish. Essentially what I am doing when I am studying my fish is trying to build a dollhouse for a fish that enables me to ask a very specific question. I'm curious about asking questions about their behavior, and oftentimes asking about their behavior in the wild is really complicated because there's all kinds of sort of other variables that we can't control. So we make these assay chambers, or basically tanks, that we can ask specific questions in. And to do that, it's really helpful to be able to build a tank that's in our specifications, so not just a rectangular tank. So I have never seen a call for an ecologist that asked for dollhouse building skills. But that's what's made me into the scientist that I am. And I think that's true of all skills. I am not telling you to learn to build a dollhouse. What I am saying is that follow your passions and do what you love, because you never know what skills are going to help you in science, because you are going to call on any number of things. And whatever unique skills you bring to the field, that's what's going to be helpful and make you into the scientist you are.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and definitely check out some of our other videos either here on the YouTube or on Instagram or on SciAll.org. We look forward to chatting science with you next time.